Hi first grade, today we're going to be working to make another double flap card, but we're going to be using pictures instead of just dots with our flap card today. So you are going to need a pair of scissors, a white piece of paper, and a pencil. So if you need to pause me to go get your materials, you can go do that. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, just like the first time we made our double flap card, is we're going to fold the paper in half. Then we're going to, on one side, pick a number between 1 and 10. It can be any number between, well, 2 and 10. 2 and 10. Any number between 2 and 10. So write that down first, okay? Then, just like last time, with our number on the back, we're going to open it up, and we're going to cut down that top part right down the middle and stop at the halfway mark. Right, so now I have my number on the back and I have 2 flaps here. Okay, now here's where it gets a little bit different than last time. This time we need to use a simple picture to show us our addition and subtraction problems. I'm going to choose to use stars. Now, you don't want to use anything too complicated or too fancy, because we just want to make sure that we can kind of get that part done without spending too much time on it. Okay, as I've told the kids many times, I'm not an artist. All right, so here are my stars. What I had to figure out was how many stars to put in on each side that would add up to 8. I know that 3 plus 5 equals 8. So I chose to put 5 stars on one side and 3 stars on the other side. Okay, so now I have 3 plus 5 equals 8. Also, 5 plus 3 equals 8. And then don't forget, 8 minus 5, or minus 3 equals 5. And 8 minus 5 equals 3. Do you remember what that's called? That's called a fact family. Okay, but I'm not done yet. The second part of the assignment is to get another piece of paper and to write down all 4 facts in your fact family and to make one story problem out of it. Here's what I did with the number 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5. And here's my story problem. I had 8 star buttons on my jacket, so I started with my total. 3 of them fell off. How many do I have left? Let's check and see if that story problem works with this. Are you ready? I had 8 star buttons on my jacket. 3 of them fell off. How many are left? 5. It works. I could also write a story problem that says, I had 5 star buttons. Then I bought 3 more. How many do I have all together? So there's lots of different ways that you could write your story problem. You just have to decide which way you want to use. When you're all done, you should have your double flap card, and you should also have a separate piece of paper with your whole fact family that has 4 facts and also a story problem. Make sure to take a picture of this assignment and attach it so I can see it. Great job, guys.